Investigations are continuing into whether an electrical short circuit led to this morning's fire at Seaford High School in St. Thomas. Public Relations Officer for the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Emilia Ebanks, says the brigade received a call about 5:25 and quickly got the fire under control. However, he still does not know the cause of the blaze. The school has been without electricity since the fire, which caused extensive damage to a classroom block that housed the art department. Member of Parliament for St. Thomas Western, James Robertson, says there were concerns.
It had been reported that there were concerns re the electricity supply and the condition of the electric installation of the plant of the school.
The damage from the fire is expected to affect students who will be sitting external examinations next week. The MP says he's working with the minister overseeing the education portfolio, Carl Samuda, to determine how best to help.
For the students that have exams on Monday that are affected, for the students who have coursework prepared that were to be examined next week, it's how to work now with the ministry and the different councils, examination councils, to protect the interest of the students in the short term.